Alright guys, I'm Cameron with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're going to show you how to install this, the shock skid. So if you have a Nissan Frontier or Xterra, you will see, looking under your truck, that this shock mount is pretty exposed and vulnerable, and it's in dire need of protection. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy, and it will just slide up and over, bolt right into place, and it will give your shock mounts some peace of mind and keep them from getting mangled and destroyed. So let's go ahead and install these real quick. First thing you're going to want to do is just take that old one off and I already loosened it up, but we can pop that off. Take the bolt out. It really helps to support the axle. Makes it a lot easier to get that bolt back through and back out. And then we'll take this guy. That's 12, so you'll need your 19mm sockets and a 12mm. This guy will bolt on the outside, so we'll just push that out of the way for a second. Okay, so with this all in place right here, so you'll just take this, slide it on the outside, watch both sides, and you'll just rotate it up into place. And then you'll take these two stainless steel pockets, or we call these the bolt bunker because these two stainless steel inserts, they keep everything nice and protected, keeps the bolts from being exposed. So it's really nice on the trail, you don't have any bolts snagging on anything. Okay, so throw it through, and we're just gonna slide it on across. And then take the other nut and just install it on the other side. And it says the torque spec on the side, so 148 foot-pounds. And you're gonna wanna just, these will deflect a little bit and deform. That's normal, that's what we want it to do. It's designed to do that. So they're gonna deflect into place, and these are gonna be rock solid. So I'm just gonna get it started. And then we'll torque that up. Okay, you get your torque wrench set to 148 foot-pounds. And then just, oh, hopes that goes the right way. And then just, that's it. We're set. Okay, last thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this bolt and we're gonna put it back in here. And there's a little notch in the side just to give it some clearance and keep it from moving. Just like that. All right, we're gonna speed run this one, see how quick we can do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Under a minute. That's wild. That's awesome. So if you're looking to protect your shock mounts, go ahead and head over to z1offroad.com today and get yourself a pair.